Welcome to our comprehensive guide on fence installation. In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process to ensure a sturdy and beautiful fence for your property. Let's get started. Step 1. Check and lay out materials. Top rail, picket cap, picket, bottom rail, post, post cap, pipe anchor, anchor positioner. Step 2. Locate and install first pipe anchor. Identify the location for the first pipe anchor positioner. Keep the edge of the anchor positioner 2 inches away from any vertical surface to leave room for the post. Pound the pipe anchor into the ground. Check that the pipe anchor is level. Step 3. Lay out string line. Identify your string line with stakes. Step 4. Install pipe anchors. Lay out one of the rails along the string line. Align the next anchor positioner with the string line and the end of the rail. Drive the rest of the pipe anchors into the ground using the anchor positioners and a post pounder. Step 5. Install posts. Slide a post over the first pipe anchor. The post will rest on the edge of the anchor positioner. Drive a self-drilling Tek screw through the post, anchor positioner, and pipe anchor. Step 6. Install fence panels. Place wood spacers next to the posts and slide the bottom rail through the grooves in the posts until it rests on the spacers. Then slide the top rail through the grooves in the posts. Slide the pickets through the holes in the top and bottom rails. Drive self-drilling stainless steel screws through the middle of the top and bottom rails and pickets. Great job! You've completed the initial steps for your fence installation. In the upcoming sections, we'll delve deeper into the process to ensure a flawless finish. Stay tuned for more expert tips and advice.